When I'm out traveling, first of all, make sure you're vaccinated. I got my first shot today, so I'm awaiting my superpower to awaken my godlike powers. I hope I turn to a crocodile or something like that. That would be awesome. Imagine that tomorrow, instead of me sitting here, it's me, an alligator with beard and glasses. That would be so cool. And then unexpected. But also when I'm traveling, you know, I always travel with a group of 3. And the reason for that is because it's called Tripl. You know, triple. Hey! Because the reason I said that is because the name of the creator of the videos I'm gonna watch here today is named Tripl. Woo! I'm sorry about that. But I am here to watch some of Tripl's animations. From what I see on the thumbnails, the style looks amazing. I am really curious to see this. And of course, links to Tripl's channel and the original videos will be in the description. So please be sure to check them out and support them. Click subscribe. We do that here on the channel. We subscribe and support our fellow creators. Those that actually do good stuff, unlike me. And the very first one we're going to check out here today is Sushan is small s o. Wait. Oh, really? How? I don't Okay. They are playing GTA Online. Okay. Oh. I haven't played GTA Online. I need to do that one day. Sounds like it would be really fun. So that's, well, okay, but we're gonna check this out. Tripl. Let's see what you create.
今自己紹介しますね。水星のことから現れた原石アイドル VTuber の星町水星です。水ちゃんは今日も小さい。何が小さいって？音量？あ、そっか。じゃあちょっとやり直させてもらいますね。うん。水星のごとく現れたスターの原石アイドル VTuber の星町水星です。スイちゃん。やめな声も出しすぎるな。喉が枯れてしまう。
Sushi. I love how she went like instantly sociopath. It's like, who do you call small? Like, sorry. And the style is amazing. I love how the expression is. It's, oh god, it's amazing. Press F to speed up. F, no. Oh no. Oh god, it's like the old classic Alt F4, you know? If you press Alt F4, you achieve secret achievement. Really? Boop. And I love Carly with a flute. Oh, seriously, this is amazing. Holy crap. This style is so fucking good. I fucking love this. Oh, dude. This is amazing. And next one we're gonna watch is Carly proposed to Ollie and Kira's reaction when she found out about it. My. There. I like the fact that Carly is so incredibly popular. I think it's really fun and kind of sweet. I mean, then again, a good daddy is a good daddy. From the horror game collab, yeah, that, from the background and all that, I assume it's Phasmophobia. So let's check this out. Carly and all. And also, Ollie is someone that I love to watch more and more, you know. I liked her from the beginning because zombies, you know, they might be dead, but they can be full of life as well. I have heard. You know what the last thing you should say in a zombie apocalypse? You know, when they're like mocking you and you're like replying angrily back at them, but bite me! I should have said. I feel like that would be a hilarious thing in a zombie movie. I will hope we see that sometime. That someone like, fuck you, bite me, and then they actually bite and they turn into zombie and they're like, fuck. Oh. But we're gonna check this. I love, dude, this style is so cute.
You are Wangi. Wangi. Oh yeah.
Oh god. Well, I don't blame her. Go for the round objects, the round orbs. And Wang actually spelled wangy. It literally means spell good. Yeah, and that is something you guys taught me about a while back, because it was talking about wangy and all of that. Which I think is a funny word in general, but wangy. Do I say that right? Wangy. I'm not wangy. I don't smell of anything. I'm more like nothing exists here.
It's so soft. Senpai. Yeah.
Wait, hold on. I need to not be here. No! Stop! I can't move myself like this. No! Owie!
Teach you some Indonesian. Do you
Sure.
want me to teach you some Indonesian? So
Absolutely.
Yes,
I'll butcher it. It'll sound terrible, but I'm ready.
Aww.
Okay, so here's an Indonesian phrase that I.
It's so cute. Dude, I love that. Like, Kali is such a, you know, straight man. Like, oh, dude, I love that. Also, one thing for sure. When a person, there are two type of persons when I teach you words in a different language. There are those that are really sincere, that actually say, yeah, this means hello, and all of that. And then you don't have, which is 99% of all people, is those that don't do that. They instead say like, this word means hello, and it's actually means penis, or something like that. So you're going around like, penis? Penis? I got hiccup. So yeah, I think it could be because last time people tried to teach me random words in like Portuguese and Russian, stuff like that. It was really fun, but I think Potato made me trash my own favorite servants. God damn it, Potato. God damn it.
I want you to learn.
Okay.
It means that you're a precious friend.
Okay.
Okay, menikah
Menikah?
Monica?
dengan
Dengan?
One more time.
menikah
Minika?
dengan
Benang?
aku.
Aku.
Menikah dengan aku.
Marry me. Menikah dengan aku. Man, it would be so cool to learn more language. I need to learn that, but
Minika? Minika? Benang? Aku.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Oh wow! Oh my gosh! Yeah, we're best friends. Yata, we're best friends. Yata. That's been a cool phrase. I'm gonna use it all the time with my friends now.
Yes, say that a lot. Menikah dengan aku. Yes.
Yes. One more time.
Menikahlah
Minikahwa?
dengan
Benang?
aku.
Aku. Yeah. Minikah benang aku. Yeah. Yeah. Yay.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, you're welcome. Friends forever. Friends forever. I'm so excited for our friendship.
Indeed.
Yeah, forever. Ollie, did you make me say something embarrassing?
No.
Ollie, tell me, right? You would hey, 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 hey! Hey! Don't you stick your arm out of there. Come out! Sticking your...
My God. And I love how it's like the fucking... It is literally the closet in Phasmophobia. Your arm sticks out. Kind of sucks when you try to hide. What?
arm out at me. Come and face me.
No.
Maybe old dancing. I don't know how this is possible for you to do this, but come out. Face me.
Okay, fine.
Face
I'll come
me.
out of the closet for you.
Oh my gosh. Oh, it's blood all over again.
When only Debbie.
Oh no. Oh no, I have a bad feeling about this.
Your dad was very kind to me and Callie in the beginning, and to everyone basically. I gave her the benefit of the doubt that she was going to steal Callie, and I thought that maybe she could be like, you know, our daughter. Flirted with Callie in a way that no daughter would. It would be kind of weird if a daughter would flirt with her papa like that. So I have been quite possibly bamboozled. I told her to something else, then she just flirt back at me. What the f am I supposed to do? I told her! I warned her! All she does is flirting. She might have a flirting addiction. Maybe we have to do, you know, some kind of intervention or something. Like, oh my god, let's do an intervention stream.
Have you type? You're a film. Easy for it to break down. Oh god. Oh my god, dude. Kiara, oh my god, I love them. Holy moly, they are amazing. I might have been bamboozled. Bamboozle in general is such a fucking funny word. I love that word. It's one of my favorite words, bamboozled. You know? It's a funny word, but oh dude. Seeing Kali and Ollie and Kiara, oh dude, this is amazing. Oh, it should be a crime to be this amazing. No, then we wouldn't have them to watch. Oh boy, I see Kiara being a little bit dangerous. Genre with Papa. Okay, Kali. Oh god. And the last one we're gonna check today, only 3 today because I am a little bit short of time today, sadly, because I've been away, as I said, taking vaccination shot and stuff and like that. So I've been all over the place today, but we are here with the last one, which is named Gura Ratata. Yeah. I don't know if she is shooting something or if she is having literally, I can't even words called Ratata the Pokemon. I think it's an underrated Pokemon. It's pretty trash actually, whatever you do, but you know, I like rats. Let's check this out with Gura. She playing horror games. She finally found a gun. I like her. Looks so cute.
Is that a gun?
Yeah.
That's a gun. Why is it so slow? No! No!
No. No. No.
No! I want to use the gun!
No.
Da, 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 da,
Hey.
da, 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 dun, 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 da, da, dun. Dun, 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 dum, dum, dum. Da, 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 dum, 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 dum.
Man. Oh, good. This is, oh, dude, I love this. This style is God said, oh my fucking God. Oh boy. Seriously, Triple, this is amazing. I love these. And just seeing like poor girl. I know the feeling when you finally find a gun in a horror game or after a long time and then like it doesn't work or there's no ammo for it or something like that. Or like in Resident Evil, like, oh, the shotgun! And then it's just a replica and you can't use it and you're like, fuck! God damn it! You tricked me again, game! Damn you! Fuck you, Resident Evil. Oh, seriously though, so fucking cute and amazing. I love these. And there's a bunch more, but I will check them out later on. I have seen some of them already before though. But there's some I have still seen yet. And we will be checking them out. But of course, most of all, check out Tripl for more amazing work. Support them and these fantastic animations they do. I love these. And I'm gonna be checking them out for more great stuff they do. So thank you for watching. See you later, and have a continued super great day.